Okay, guys. I had no choice but to make this video. I told you guys I wasn't going to make this video unless I was really pushed to do this video, and I am going to make this video right now because the simple fact is I am fed up. I'm way beyond aggravated. I'm gonna basically just say this: do not buy anything from fucking Best Buy. Anybody, Best Buy will steal your fucking money if you're not going inside the store itself and purchase it. Do not buy anything online, especially going through FedEx. So I told you guys before what happened with my graphics card, that FedEx literally stole my graphics card, and Best Buy is refusing to do anything, even though I provided on fucking video showing exactly how I received my package, how my item was open. So what I'm going to do is now I am going to fucking expose Best Buy. I already contacted FedEx. FedEx acknowledged the situation. I sent them the video. FedEx themselves even stated that this is not acceptable, and they took care of the situation. Inside the video, I do have to edit out some things. I'm going to just edit out my location of my building where I live at, so you're going to see black bars and stuff on it. Edit it out, or I may just crop it and just do a still freeze showing the driver driving off, whatever it may be. But FedEx themselves acknowledged that the package was stolen. They don't know if the driver took it, and they don't know if somebody inside the warehouse that actually took it out, whatever it may be. But I am going to show you guys a little snippet real quick of how I received my package. Okay, now when you look at this item, you're going to see two things. I'm just going to show it to you on the screen really quick, and I want you guys assess it yourself. I'm going to show you a video of after the I got the package open. I then came upstairs. After I came upstairs, and after I slid the package out of the box, and I already explained to you guys basically how it happened. On both sides of the package was open, top and bottom, and also on the side. Okay, on one side the label was completely closed on one side, and on the other side where they actually took the graphics card out, the tampered seal was actually tampered with. They pulled out the graphics card and took it and left every other accessory in it and just took the graphics card. All right, nothing was inside of it. When I got it, I asked, why is the box fucking light as hell? Driver gave me some type of weird excuse, talking about I can take it back. I can file a claim for you. I can do this. I can do that, which got my antennas up like this, because I've never heard FedEx driver even say shit like that. Normally, if something is opened, FedEx will not deliver it, especially if the package is open. What FedEx will do is tape the motherfucker up to try to do if somebody did open it up. The shit wasn't even taped. You can literally see that motherfuckers did not care, and they literally went about stealing my item. And I'm gonna show you the package right here, and just make sure there's no data that can be seen on it. So just give me a second. So here's the photo right here. All right, I want to zoom this in a little bit closer for you guys, so let me just zoom that in so you guys can get a nice, good view of the package. Do you see at the bottom, at the very bottom, how it's open at the bottom? There's like a little slit right there. That bottom part, both sides of that is open. And if you look at the further back, all the way in the back where my finger is right here, you see that the tab is open back there. Those are both parts of where the actual box was open at. So it was the top part up there, the bottom part, and the side. Both of those parts was open. They didn't even bother to try to seal it back up, to put tape on it, nothing. Now, remember what I told you guys inside my other video when I was spazzing the fuck out? How irritated I was? But FedEx, now let me put it like this. It's not FedEx this time. This is one time I can't blame FedEx, which it is FedEx problem. But they acknowledged that the item was stolen. Once I sent them the video showing how I received the package, they automatically said we approved it. They told me to get in contact with Best Buy customer service, which I did. All right. I contacted Best Buy via social media, which was on Twitter. I gave them the video. So currently right now, social media, Best Buy from social media agrees with me. They don't understand because the lady that from Twitter, she's the one that did the case for me because I submitted the video towards her, that photo, everything, every picture, because she asked me for everything. She's the one that did the case for me. and she doesn't understand why my case was canceled out, why my order is not being refunded, and she has no idea because she's the one that placed the claim for me. She directly said there's no reason whatsoever why I should not have gotten a refund. Now you getting this? Customer service at Best Buy, you motherfuckers is some retarded ass bitches. I'm sorry. And your back office is some bitch ass also. You know what? I even brought the video to Best Buy at the corporate store. They even acknowledged that this shit never happened. I was even told by the manager at the Best Buy store, do not ever purchase a graphics card online and have it sent out by FedEx. Always have it as store delivery also. And he also said even doing that, there's a chance that the package can still get stolen, getting sent to the store also. But the reason why he said do it to the store, so if they do steal it and Best Buy receives it and find the package that is open and stuff, they can file a claim inside the store directly for you instead of going through the hassle that I'm dealing with right now. So at no further ado, I am going to present to you guys the video of the lobby, which the video I have right here on my phone. I'm going to upload it to my computer now so you guys can see it, and I'm going to actually show you within, I say probably like, I can't say it's the exact time I got upstairs because I called Best Buy as soon as I got the package. When I was in the hallway, I accidentally called them and basically explained to them the situation. So as soon as I got off the phone with them, I uploaded a video directly showing you how I got what was inside the package. So at no further ado, let's show you this right now. All right, yo, this is the Best Buy. This is how I just got my package. They've been in my shit. You can see the driver pulling off, and they was all up in my shit. Same thing at the bottom. So now, fuck, man. All right, guys. I'm not going to say much of anything. I just want to show you something real quick. This is what I got from FedEx today. This is my package opened. His other part opened here. His other part fully opened right here. As you can see, the label is opened right there. I don't have to say much. Let me get this open. Ouch. There we go. Like, damn, my watch just like peeled the skin off my arm. Jesus Christ. Don't have to say nothing. Don't have to say much. Okay? You seen it. I'm gonna post a video how I received the package in a few on this video. I'm trying to keep this video pure without no type of editing on top of it. That's why I'm not trying to edit it. This is complete documents of how I received the shit. And I'm trying not to edit the video and put the way how it is. I might have to break it up, but for YouTube purposes, I'm gonna have to edit this video and put down, show you guys exactly how I received the package, which I'm gonna have to black out some of the areas. I'm gonna have to black out some of the areas so I can basically block out on where I live at and stuff like that. So that's currently the reason why I don't want to freaking edit the video, any of that, because I want this as my raw footage. So that's how I got it. No ends if or buts. So yeah, Best Buy, FedEx, we got a problem. Okay, so you just seen what just happened, right? Am I tripping? Am I bugging? This looked like an empty package, right? You see there was no GPU inside of it. Y'all seen how I received it. You seen how the driver literally drove away. You see how I got the package. Everything was open, tampered with like that.